Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, I'll be talking about loading our brad nailer. You always want to read all the warning labels that came with your tool before you use it. This one specifies that you have to hook up the air hose first. First, we're going to depress our cartridge release, which is going to allow us to get into our magazine. Once we pull that back all the way, we now have full access to our magazine where we can put different types of brad nails in. Next, we need to place our nails into our magazine. You'll notice that there are several different grooves. You need to make sure that the nail head is sitting in those grooves. It'll slide along in the groove, but it won't be able to jump outside of that groove. Now, according to the specs, you can put 110 nails in at a time. It's not necessary to count them. Just make sure there's a comfortable amount. Obviously now, I don't have room to put any more, so I would leave that clip out. Lastly, go ahead and close that magazine until it clicks.